Okay guys, so this short video I'm going to show you how you can set up a Relevance AI agent that is able to analyze websites. Now this is a very simple setup. It only uses a couple tools from Relevance AI. I'm also going to make a video that showcases how you can put this into a form and call it from make.com so you can use it as a lead magnet, but this is going to be a very quick setup. So the first thing that we'll do actually is I will test this. So I'll put in, please analyze this website. Please analyze this website. Okay, so the analysis has came back and it gives it a score, and then it goes into the various different types of aspects that it's looked into. So keywords, user experience, call to actions, brand, all that sort of stuff. So if you want to have a look at that, feel free to pause. But what we'll do now is we'll jump onto the setup. So you're going to want to head down to the description, and you're going to see a link to our learning center, and you're just going to want to sign up. You'll get a link and then you will get access. You want to come over to here to social media automations whenever you're in, and come to the bottom right corner, and once you're in here you will have all the prompts and the description, the core instructions that you're going to need to give to this agent. And basically it's just a copy and paste job. It's very simple, but if you haven't got an account for Relevance AI, what you're going to want to do, just want to look up just relevanceai.com, search it up, make an account. You can build this completely for free, and you're going to want to hit new agent. Okay, so once you've got this loaded up, basically what you're going to be doing here is we're going to be building the agent. This is the agent builder interface. So in the agent name section, we're going to give it a name. So we're going to call it web analyzer, and then the description will say you are an expert website analyzer. Pretty simple. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to want to do is we're going to want to go to the core instructions, and you can think of this as like the system prompt. Okay guys, so lucky for you, I already have the core instructions made. So whenever you're on the page in the learning center, you just want to come to the core instructions, copy all of this, and then we're going to come back and we're just going to simply paste it in. And I should probably add some markdown just to make this a bit better. Okay, so essentially what's going on here is we're giving the agent a role. We're telling it that it's an expert website analyzer, and then we're also giving it context. So it's going to be provided with the URL, and its role is to just dive into that URL, pull as much information from it, and run a really deep and thorough analysis of that URL. And then we go into more depth about the task, analyze the provided URL, give it a grading, evaluate based on this, brand and colors, that kind of thing. And now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be jumping into the tools. Okay, so you're going to need to clone these tools into your Relevance AI agent, into your environment, right? So what you're going to want to do is you're just going to come over here, for example, Google search, and because I already have them cloned, it doesn't really work for me. But what you want to do is you want to just go to all templates and search for the tool, and then you can add, or you can add it directly to your agent. I didn't know that you could actually add without cloning, but I would just clone it to your environment just so you have the tool there. And then once you've got the following tools in, so let me just go and find them. So Google search, I believe I already have all of these. Google search add, then we're going to want the capture web. Tell you what, let me just be real cheeky. Grab that, search for tool, boom. Okay, capture web page, and now the next one is extract content from website. Okay, add that in as well, and then the last one is website to brand identity. Okay, so we've got all the tools in now, and I'll basically run you through how the agent will use them. So the first one is Google, so it's going to use this to look up for other resources about the website, for other links or things that may help it in its analysis, like Google page speed analytics, for example. It may go ahead and look that up. But first thing you want to do is you want to put them all on auto run before I forget, because basically if they're not on auto run, then the agent won't use them automatically. And then capture web page screenshots with AI analysis. Basically what's happening here is the agent will take a screenshot of the website and then use this to analyze the user interface and the format and how easy it is to use, essentially. And then we can extract the content from the website just to get the content of the website to see if it's SEO optimized, things of that sort of nature. And then the website to brand identity, basically what's going on here is it's going to look at the brand, you know, the color scheme, the logos, and how things look, and how like inviting the website looks, because this is a website analysis that is sort of built for like conversions. So it will look at a website to see how good it is for conversions. But yeah, so we're going to copy these in now. Basically, this is a prompt that will explain to the agent how to use it. Okay, so for Google search, you just want to simply come and throw that in there. And then the web page screenshot one, we're going to do that. So just give me a minute and I will copy these all through to the corresponding tools. Okay, so all of these tools have been added in with all of their prompts, and we are pretty much finished, to be honest. But there's not a lot left. All we have to do now is build the flow, okay, which is essentially the do this, an instructional flow, a checklist that the agent will operate by. So the first thing is the Google tool, and then we're moving on. These aren't really based on the tools itself. It's just, for example, compile the insights. That's not really specific to one tool. But what we'll do is we'll get the first one. So we're just going to copy that. This really is how simple it is, guys. I've worked hard at making a very, very elaborate learning center, so the tutorials and you building your automations is much easier, guys. So that is the flow builder in place. Literally all it is you just grabbing one, copying it, pasting it. It really is that easy. So that's the agent pretty much complete. Now all we have to do is we have to give it a test to make sure it's working okay. So you want to hit confirm, which will save it, and then we're in, and I'll go and grab a URL that we can run a test on. Okay, so I'm just getting a random law firm from Northern Ireland that I'm going to use for this example, and we're going to see where their website is. So we're going to paste that in there, and we're going to say, please analyze this website. Boom. Oh, boom. Okay, so as we can see, the agent's using the tools in the background based on how we've prompted it, based on the flow builder. It's doing everything exactly how we've told it to do. And I'll jump back in a minute whenever this is done, but I promise you're going to be impressed. Yeah, guys, while this is running, let me know in the comments if you want to see more Relevance AI videos, because I certainly love making them, because they're very, very simple to make and they're so powerful. And as well, I can just compile everything into the Learning Center, and you can just copy and paste it in. I can show you a video tutorial on how you can build them and how you can turn them into lead magnets. So let me know if you find this sort of stuff valuable, because I don't think it could be easier for you to build this. So obviously the video for here is going to be pasted in if you're watching this now, but hopefully we are nearly done with the analysis. Okay, we are done. So website analysis for, let me zoom in here, for Legal 500 Northern Ireland directory. So the grading is a B. As you can see, everything is going into depth about the brand and colour. So the colour scheme is neutral, using white, black and subtle blue accents, which is very, very impressive. Actually, I did not expect it to do it that well. So that's it, using the screenshot tool, so it's able to actually visually capture what the website looks like and then analyze the image from there. So it's able to get the brand and colors, the call to actions like the search bar, not particularly compelling, that's okay. User experience, the website's easy to navigate with clear categories and a functional search feature. Keywords, the site appears to be optimized for relevant keywords related to legal services in Northern Ireland, which is crucial. Fair enough. Justification, tools used, and yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's a pretty genuine analysis. The message is clear. It's talking about the content well. It's got the color scheme right. It's got it's got the search bar right as well. So it's actually taking, it's not just making things up. It's performing a genuine analysis. And I'm sure you can make this tool a lot better with loads more tools, but this is just keeping things simple, keeping things straightforward. So I'm able to put it on the Learning Center so you guys can get the benefits of it. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. If you just follow the steps in this and paste it in, you will have an agent that's able to do this, and then you can access it from Make, you can access it from Zapier, you can access it from wherever, and you've got a website analysis agent that can take just a URL, run a full analysis, grade it, and you can get this formatted with HTML, and it would look absolutely stunning. I could throw in a newer video me basically putting this into a form, into a lead magnet, which is also really simple. But yeah, if you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. I hope this was helpful. Head to the description, you'll see the access link for our Learning Center, where you'll not just get access to this, but you'll get access to pretty much everything we've ever built, and there's absolutely loads of stuff here, so make sure you do that. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope this was valuable. Have a great day.